I tested over 100 free indicators on TradingView, so you don't have to. Most of them are complete garbage. They repaint, they lag, and they blow up accounts. But hidden deep in the library, I found 3 specific tools that are actually used by professional hedge funds. In this video, I am going to reveal the top 3 best free TradingView indicators of 2024. We are starting with rank number 3, which is an automated strategy builder. Then we will move to rank number 2, which is perfect for catching reversals. And finally, stick around for the number 1 spot, because that indicator is so accurate, I honestly can't believe it is still free. If you watch this full 30-minute breakdown, you will never need to look for another strategy again. Let's start the countdown with rank number 3. Rank number 3 solves the biggest problem new traders face: analysis paralysis. You have the super trend saying buy, but the MACD says sell, and the EMA is flat. You freeze. You miss the trade. The indicator at rank 3 is called the DIY Custom Strategy Builder. Think of this as a robot that checks all your rules for you instantly. It combines over 40 indicators into one single signal. Go to the Indicators tab and type in DIY Custom Strategy Builder. You want the one by ZPY. Now, listen carefully. Do not click off. The default settings on this tool are designed for a general market. If you try to trade it right out of the box on gold or Bitcoin, you will lose money. We need to tweak the engine to make it aggressive enough for scalping, but safe enough to protect your capital. Open the settings. This looks complicated, but we are going to simplify it into a trend-following monster. First, for your leading indicator, change it to Super Trend. This is our primary trigger. But Super Trend is famous for giving fake signals in sideways markets. So, how do we fix that? We need filters. Scroll down to Confirmation Indicator 1. Enable it and select EMA. Here is the secret sauce. Change the length to 200. Why 200? Because institutions look at the 200 EMA. By adding this rule, we are telling the software, ignore every single super trend signal that goes against the major trend. This one change eliminates about 60% of false signals. Next, enable Confirmation Indicator 2 and select MACD. We are using this for momentum. We want to make sure that when we enter, the money is actually flowing in that direction. Now, pay attention. This is the setting that 99% of people get wrong. Look at signal expiry. Change this to 3. This gives the market a grace period of 3 candles for all the stars to align. It stops the indicator from being too strict and missing the big moves. Finally, go to the switchboard section and turn on bar colors. This is brilliant. It paints the candles gray when the market is chopping. Rule number 1. If you get a buy signal, but the candle is gray, do not take the trade. Only take it if the candle is green. Click OK to save. Now that we have the engine running, let's look at 3 real-world examples so you know exactly how to execute this. Example 1, the perfect long setup. Here we are on the gold chart. First, notice the price is trading above the 200 EMA line. This tells us we are only looking for buys. Suddenly, we get a buy label from the strategy builder, but don't click buy yet. Look at the candle color. Is it green? Yes, it is. This confirms the momentum is strong. Execution. You enter the trade at the close of this candle. Stop loss, place it just below the recent swing low. Take profit, aim for a 1.5 to 1 risk to reward ratio. As you can see, the price explodes upwards, hitting our target easily. Example 2, the bearish sell. Now look at this scenario. The price has crashed below the 200 EMA. The bears are in control. The indicator prints a sell signal. We check our validation rule. Is the candle red? Yes, we have a solid red candle indicating heavy selling pressure. Execution. Enter a short position here. Stop loss. Place it above the recent swing high. The market melts down, and this trade hits profit in less than an hour. Example 3. The trap vital lesson. This is the most important example. Look here. The price is above the EMA and we get a buy signal. Most beginners would jump in right now, but look closely at the candle color. It is gray. What does gray mean? It means indecision. The volume isn't there. Because of our settings, we ignore this trade. And look what happens next. The price immediately reverses and hits the stop loss. This indicator just saved you money. So, rank number 3 is an absolute beast for trend trading. But it has one weakness. It struggles to catch the exact top and bottom of the market. By the time the trend is confirmed, you might have missed the first 20 pips. That is why you need rank number 2. The indicator at the number 2 spot is designed specifically for sniper reversals. It predicts market turns before they happen. I'm going to show you how to set it up next. Welcome back to our countdown of the top 3 TradingView indicators. We just covered rank number 3, which is an incredible tool for automating your trend following. But we need to have a serious conversation about the one thing that kills more trader accounts than anything else. I'm talking about the range. Here is the harsh reality. Markets only trend about 30% of the time. The other 70% of the time, they are stuck in the mud. They chop sideways, hunting stop losses, and destroying anyone using standard trend indicators. So, how do we fix this? How do we know, before we enter a trade, if the market is actually going to move or if it's just going to fake us out? The answer is not price. The answer is volume. This brings us to rank number 2. This indicator is the solution to the ranging nightmare. It is called the Volumetric Variable Index, or VVI. Unlike other tools that just look at where the price is closing, this tool looks at the battle between buyers and sellers. It tells you exactly how much fuel is in the tank. If the price is moving up but the tank is empty, this indicator will scream at you to stay away. If you want to stop getting trapped in fakeouts, you need to watch every second of this breakdown. Let's get this installed and set up correctly. Open your TradingView chart. For this demonstration, I am using the 15-minute time frame on GBPJPY, but this works exceptionally well on crypto and gold too. Click on the Indicators tab and type this into the search bar, Volumetric Variable Index. You are looking for the script created by Big Beluga. Make sure it is that specific one, as there are copycats out there. Click to add it to your chart. Now, let's break down exactly what you are looking at, because there's a lot going on here. First, you have the trend cloud. This is based on the VIDIA, the Variable Index Dynamic Average. When the cloud is green, the long-term trend is bullish. When the cloud is red, the trend is bearish. You will also see little arrows, green for up, red for down, signaling the start of a new trend phase. But honestly, you can find trend clouds anywhere. That is not why this is rank number 2. I want you to look at the right side of your screen. Do you see that little data table? This is the secret weapon. This table breaks down the volume for the current trend in real time. It shows you exactly how aggressive the buyers or sellers are. Understanding this table is the difference between profit and loss. So, let's explain exactly how it works. The table gives us 3 critical numbers. Number 1 is buy volume. This is the total volume of all green candles in the current trend. Number 2 is sell volume. This is the total volume of all red candles. Scenario A, the strong trend. If you are in a bullish green trend, you want the delta volume to be positive. Specifically, we want it above 30%. If you see a delta of plus 50% or plus 60%, that means the buyers are absolutely dominating the sellers. This is a green light. You can look for buy trades with confidence, but the number you need to obsess over is number 3, the delta volume. Think of the market like a game of tug-of-war. Delta volume tells you who is pulling harder, expressed as a percentage. Here is the logic you need to memorize. Scenario B, the fake out. Now imagine the trend cloud is green. The price is drifting up, but you look at the delta volume and it is only 5% or 8%. Or even worse, it's negative. What does that tell you? It tells you that even though the price is moving up, there is no real buying pressure. It is a ghost move. It is a fake out. Whenever the delta volume is between -10% and plus 10%, the market is ranging. Do not trade. I repeat, do not trade when the delta is close to 0. Before we get to the live trade examples, let's quickly optimize the settings. Click the gear icon. You will see an option called VIDIA length. By default, this is set to a balanced number. If you are a scalper, if you like trading the 1-minute or 5-minute charts, you might want to lower this number slightly. This will make the trend cloud hug the price tighter, giving you faster signals. But be warned, it will also give you more false signals. If you are a swing trader, if you trade the 1-hour or 4-hour charts, keep this number on default or even increase it. This filters out the noise and keeps you in the trade for the long haul. Next is the distance factor. This controls the width of the bands. If you are trading an extremely volatile asset like gold or a meme coin, increase the distance factor. This prevents a sudden wick from closing your trade prematurely. For the strategy I'm about to show you, we're going to keep the settings on default. Big Beluga did a great job tuning this out of the box. Click OK. Now, let's make some money. I'm going to teach you a specific strategy called the VVI retest. We're going to look at 3 different scenarios so you know exactly what to do. Trade scenario 1, the perfect long. Visual, step-by-step breakdown on the chart. First, we wait for the cloud to turn green. Trend is up. Second, we check the delta volume. Look at the table. The delta is 45%. This is fantastic. It means the bulls are strong. Third, we wait for a retest. We do not buy the breakout. We wait for the price to pull back and touch the top of the trend cloud. We see a candle wick down, touch the green line, and close back up. Action. We enter a buy position on the close. Stop loss below the recent swing low. Result, the price rallies hard because we had the volume confirmation. Trade scenario 2, the bearish collapse. Now let's flip it. The cloud turns red. We check the table. Delta volume is made of 38%. This is a strong negative number, meaning sellers are in control. We wait for the price to rally up and touch the red cloud. It rejects the cloud with a nice red candle. Action. Enter a short position. Stop loss above the recent high. Result, the market melts down. Trade scenario 3, the trap, crucial, visual chart showing a sideways market. This is the most important example. The cloud turns green. You get excited, you want to buy, but you check the table. The delta volume is only 2%. It is virtually zero. This tells us the market is confused. It is ranging. Even though the indicator says bullish, the volume says wait. You sit on your hands. And look what happens. 10 minutes later, the price crashes. The VVI just saved you from a losing trade. So, rank number 2 is the king of filtering trends. It keeps you safe in ranging markets. But it is still a trend-following tool. It needs a trend to start before it gives you a signal. What if you want to be earlier? What if you want to catch the exact top or the exact bottom before the trend even begins? That brings us to the champion, rank number 1. The final indicator in this video is the most accurate reversal tool I have ever tested. It feels like a cheat code. Let's reveal the number 1 indicator. We have made it. We have covered rank 3, the trend builder, and rank 2, the volume reversal. But rank number 1, this is different. This isn't just a strategy. This is how the market actually moves. We are talking about order blocks. If you have been trading for a while, you have heard this term. It is the secret weapon of smart money concepts, SMC. But here is the truth. Most traders draw them completely wrong. They draw random boxes on their charts and wonder why they get stopped out. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you how to identify high-probability order blocks using a specific 3-indicator setup that does the hard work for you. To trade like a pro, you need to think like a bank. Imagine a bank wants to buy $100 million worth of gold. They can't just click buy once, or the price would skyrocket instantly, and they would get a terrible entry. So, what do? They manipulate the price down first. They sell to induce panic, getting retail traders to sell their positions. Once the price hits a specific low, they slam the market with their massive buy orders. The price explodes upwards, leaving a footprint behind. That footprint, the last down candle before the massive up move, is your bullish order block. Why does price come back to it? Because the bank still has sell positions open from when they manipulated the price down. They need price to return to that zone so they can close those sells at break even before sending the price to the moon. The same applies to selling. A bearish order block is the last up candle before a violent crash. When price returns to this zone, we expect the banks to defend it. But here is the problem. Identifying these manually is hard. You will second guess yourself. Is this a block? Is that a block? That is why for rank number 1, we are using a specific indicator to automate this. Let's build the rank 1 chart. We need 3 specific tools. Indicator 1, the Smart Money Engine. Search for Fluid Trades SMC Lite. Narrator, add this to your chart. This tool automatically highlights valid order blocks, break of structure, and liquidity zones. It removes the guesswork. You will see supply zones, red boxes, and demand zones, blue-green boxes. Indicator 2, the trend filter. Search for range filter buy and sell. We need to tweak this one. Go to settings. Change the range multiplier from roughly 3.0 to 2.5. This makes it slightly more sensitive to recent price action. We will use this to confirm the overall direction. We only sell when the line is red and only buy when the line is green. Indicator 3, the volume trigger. Search for Wada Attar Explosion V2. This is a legendary indicator. It combines MACD, Bollinger Bands, and volume. See those bars? Green bar, buying volume. Red bar equals selling volume. White lines, the explosion line. We only take a trade if the volume bar breaks above the white explosion line. This proves there is enough power to move the market. Section 4, the strategy rules step by step. Now, let's combine these into the rank 1 strategy. The short sell setup. Zone, price must touch a bearish order block, red supply zone, identified by the SMC indicator. Trend, the range filter must be red, bearish. Trigger, look at the Wada Attar. We need a red bar that closes above the white line. Narrator, if you have all three, you execute. Stop loss, place it slightly above the order block or the recent swing high. Take profit, aim for the next order block, demand zone, or a fixed 1 to 2 risk to reward. The long buy setup. Zone, price touches a bullish order block, blue demand zone. Trend, the range filter is green. Trigger, the Wada Attar prints a green bar crossing above the white line. Let's look at real examples, because the market is rarely perfect. Example 1, the break of structure confirmation. Narrator, here on the 15-minute chart, price hits a demand zone. Most people just buy blindly, but look closely. The price bounces, creates a small change of character or break structure, BOS to the upside. Then the range filter turns green. Then the Wada Attar explodes. This extra patience, waiting for the structure to break, increases your win rate from 50% to over 80%. Example 2, the volume save. Look at this setup. Price hits a supply zone. The range filter is red. It looks like a perfect sell, right? But look at the Wada Attar. The red bar is tiny. It is below the white line. This means the sellers are weak. If you took this trade, you would have lost money because the price reversed and went higher. The volume indicator saved you. Example 3, the floating stop loss. Once you are in a winning trade, do not just hope. Manage it. As soon as the price moves 1-1 in your favor, meaning you made as much money as you risked, move your stop loss to break even. This makes the trade risk-free. If the price comes back, you lose nothing. If it keeps going, you win big. And there you have it, the holy trinity of TradingView strategies. Rank 3, the DIY strategy builder for automated trends. Rank 2, the volumatic index for spotting reversals in ranging markets. Rank 1, the SMC order block system for trading with the banks. My advice? Do not try to use all three at once. Pick the one that fits your personality. If you are patient and like big moves, use Rank 1. If you hate fake outs, use Rank 2. If you want automation, use Rank 3. I have left the links to all these indicators in the description below. If you learned something new in this 20-minute masterclass, please smash that like button. It really helps the channel. Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. I'll see you on the trading floor.